Hey guys, today we're going to be finishing up this trap room, and so we finished up this trap room. This one's the first trap. It's pretty cool. And then this trap is a much smaller trap. It's much more simple, and that's pretty much just it. It's much more simple and easy to do, so this one shouldn't take me as long to make as the other room. So I might be able to get 2 traps in one day. At least that's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try and get 2 traps before I eventually have to end this, because I don't want to make these videos too long for you guys, as I believe my first one was like 40 minutes long, and I don't think y'all really want to sit and watch all that. So I'm trying to speed these up, as I do not know how to edit a video. So maybe one day I could learn to edit a video and make it smaller, but as of now I do not know. So I just have to try and make this as short as possible. And if I keep messing up like that, it won't be as short as possible. This might be tall enough, but so let me see. Did I ever get this figured out? No, I do not have where I want them to be at. I want them to spawn right here. So pretty much right here. So that goes to negative. That's a 2, 1, 0. Okay, so this is the center. 65, 35, 1, 65, 35, 1, 65, 35, 1. Okay, now we've got that. Oops, did not mean to open that. We can pull out our lever, teleport, and we spawn where I want us to. So they will spawn right here, which is where I will put the pressure plate. So pretty much these 2 spots will be pressure plates, and pretty much it will just describe what's going on in this place, which is what we want it to do. So I will just quickly finish building these walls, and then we will get started on the actual trap. Okay, build the roof, and then we can get started on the trap. This room is a lot smaller because we don't need it to be as big, as there's not a lot to do here. So I'm assuming about 4 people will be playing at a time, 4 or 5. So I'll just have to assume that I'm gonna make it a 4-player game. Actually, I'll make it a 5-player game. So that means there will be 4 chances of escape in this one. Now, as usual, it gets dark in here. Go in here, get all these out of my inventory. Pull these out. I actually need to go back up here. That'll light up that side. And we kind of just want to light up this side a little. Because we don't want them seeing a ton, we just want them to know that there is things that they have to do, because there will be barrels, so there's just going to be a ton of barrels, and then, assuming that there's 5 people, there will be 4 doors on this wall. 4. Because we are trying to get rid of at least 1 person. See, that's about how bright we want it in here. Okay, so we know this is our spawn spot. So we need to break down here, pull out this. We need to put these here. And then we need to type what we want them to say. So if I fly back over here to learn how you do that. MSG. Okay. But why didn't I just do title? Like I did over here? Oh. Don't worry, I remember that one. It was /title. Oh. At a title. Wanna play a game? Now if I click this, it should teleport me in and say wanna play a game. Okay, apparently something else is broke. Why did I not teleport? Why is there a plus here? Okay, now that I've fixed it. Oh my god. This is so dumb. Yeah, that's what we want to do. And then I think I will... Around you, you will see chest and more. Inside some are hints to my riddle. Solve it and you can leave. Fail and you die. Good luck. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out here. I'll leave these the same and then I'll just change them later. I'll just change them after the video since we ain't got a ton of time. /title, which is what the other one's gonna do. So we're just gonna change that to a title. /title at a title. To both. No, I should say on both of your sides there are barrels. Inside 4 are keys. Find yours and escape. Please find yours and escape. /title at a title on both sides of you. What? I don't think I wrote that on this one. I wrote on both of your sides. On both of your sides. So pretty much this is just copying. There are barrels. There are barrels inside 4 are keys. Find yours. Actually, I'm gonna change that. Find one and leave. Find one and leave. Find one and leave. Perfect. Got it. So now both of these say the same things. Oops. No, it's in this. Okay, so I appear to be going a lot slower than what I was hoping for. So we might, yeah, we should still have enough time to finish this trap and possibly start the next one. So now we just need barrels. And we'll do maybe 2 rows on each side with a 1 block gap. Okay. Ooh, I might even do that. Nah, because I said on both sides. So yeah, you'll spawn here, trigger this. Aww. Okay, looks like it has to be the other one. Slash MSG at a perfect. So pretty much I just need to go through and change each of these. Okay, MSG, and we already know that one will work. And then you'll see that, and you'll know that you need to search the barrels. Now I just need to, yeah, I'll use levers. But they're gonna have to search the right one. And like I said, there's only 4. So we'll put 1 in there. We won't even put it there. We'll put it like here. No, here. That way it's just kind of hard to see and you might get mixed up. And I gotta make it kind of easy, like one person will definitely find one instantly. And then I think I'll go with here. Now obviously I think more barrels would have been useful, but if somebody's coming through, they're like, they ain't gonna notice that there was one in, oh, you little jerk. So those are the keys. Then if I come up here, there's not, oh there is. I'll just do 1, 2, 3. Oh, I realize this room is uneven. So I'll have to do it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There, that's how the doors will be. And they'll kind of just have to squeeze their way over. They don't even get to see what they're walking into because it's going to be extremely dark in there. And then right here and here will be the final command blocks. I'll just go ahead and fill this crap in. Ha! Slash TP at a slash TP at a. Okay, so we got the first command block set up, but yeah, that's all we're gonna do. I thought about doing more and say like, congratulations, you survived the first trap. But no, I won't do that. And then I'm just gonna Okay, so if I come over here, hold on, I need to turn down my music in game. No, there's an audio one, right? Yes, audio, music. I'll leave it on 5, that way I can still hear it. So those two are the middle blocks. And we'll kind of just 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I got that off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But we can't have it being any. Can we do like. Okay, so there's 3 on that side, 4 on that side. Dang it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang it. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe this dude will just have a double door, and then these kids get like a singular door. Because we're trying to get 3. Like their doors will be there. He gets a double door. Or we could do it like this. Break, break. Place, place, break. And everybody gets a double door. Yeah, you see how smart I am. Now we just also need to make this 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If y'all want to build this, you're perfectly fine too. Just please do not post it to any like map sharing website without crediting me, because I do spend a long time on these. I make bunches of maps, but I post a couple. Like, so far I'm only posting this one, but I might post a tour of my old map that I created, one of my first ever maps. Of course, I won't be giving you how to make it because it's already been created, but if y'all want me to, I could create a video showing off the first map that I ever built. Well, first map I built on my PC. I couldn't show you the actual first map I built because that was on my Xbox 360, and it broke, and not only did it break, but I don't think y'all want to see a school build, like a build that I made for school. It was a class thing. I had to design a cell. And I don't need these anymore. So there was 4 dudes, and now there's not. So it went from 4 to 3, and then by next trap there will only be 2, and then that dude wins. So 5 is a good choice. It'll go from 5 to 4 to 3. Oh, I realize there's meant to be 4 winners here. So there's 5 here, then 4. Oh no, I got this right. So 5 people stay, and then 5 people are here, and then there's 4, and then 4 goes to 3. So yeah, I got it right. And I need to stop getting sidetracked because we're already at 24 minutes, and my limit is about 30 because I don't want to bore you guys. I can post longer videos, I just don't want to bore you guys, because I know people don't usually like watching videos over 30, at least I don't. Maybe y'all do, that's you. I personally don't, so I'm going to try and make my videos less than that. And this is the weekend. Well, technically it's not. I'm just out of school already. Right now it is Tuesday, but I'm already out of school, so I decided I would continue to work on the map. I would have posted earlier, but I've been busy focused on working on my schoolwork and raising my grade because I do need to get a job soon. So here's what we have. It's 4 tall. I think that should be good if we build the roof here. It's even with the other ones, so yeah. Okay, so we're just trying to finish up this because I kind of need to finish at least the roof of this place. I would like to finish the roof because I do not have a trap in mind yet, so I'd like to at least start this trap though. So I will start this trap and then think about what we could use as the trap. We have a find the hint trap. We have a find the key trap. I would like a better trap than looking through boxes. Okay, so we've pretty much finished this room, besides that I need 2. So that's the door. That's where they get out. This is just going to be the same as the other one's exit. I am trying to post more often because I realized that I did tell y'all that I would be posting within the next, like, however long I said, like, I'd post tomorrow, and then I never did. I had recorded the video, I just hadn't posted it because I forgot to actually post. I just recorded it. So by time this video goes up, the other video will already be uploaded. Like while I'm doing this part of the map, the other video is currently posting. So it's posting while I'm building this one. Like, once I get in here, I can quickly show y'all while it's really dark. So if I just quickly click here, and come down here, and here, you can see it is currently posting. Oh, it has posted, I think. So yeah, that is posting, that video is posting, and so I need to figure out where the heck we spawn because, oh, I don't even know yet. I don't have it written down. I'm just gonna put this down here as a temp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll bring it forward 2, so right here and here. So get rid of that. So yeah, I'm about to end this. I think I'll finish putting these command blocks and then this will be over. Well, no, we don't need command blocks here. I just need to figure out where these coordinates are. Okay. 97, 35, 1. 97, 35, 1. negative 97, negative 35, 1. Negative 97, negative 35, 1. Okay, now if I go in here, because now I have to test, make sure it TP's to the right place. Oh, I do not have... Yeah! Okay. Now I will hurry up and place these doors, and then this video will be done, sadly. I really feel like I'm not taking as long as I am, so sorry if y'all feel like I'm taking forever to do everything. I'm just slow at this game, because I have to perfect everything instead of just letting it go. So, yeah. This is pretty much where they'll be, and after doing what they're supposed to, they will be awarded a key. So that is going to wrap up this. I'll think of a trap while going to... Well, I'll think of a trap by next time I record. But until then, thank you all for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.